Feeling tired all the time? It's not always about sleep. In this video, we'll uncover 6 surprising reasons you're constantly exhausted and how to fix them. I'm Dr. Hasan, and this is DR.HABITS, where your habits work for your health, not against it. 1. Hidden dehydration. Even mild dehydration can drain your energy. It slows blood circulation and reduces oxygen delivery to your brain. Fix it. Start your day with 2 glasses of water before coffee. 2. Blood sugar roller coaster. Eating refined carbs causes sugar spikes, then crashes. So, energy dips and brain fog. Fix it. Choose fiber-rich meals with healthy fats and protein. 3. Iron deficiency. Low iron equals low oxygen transport equals constant fatigue. Fix it. Add spinach, lentils, or lean red meat to your meals.
Ask your doctor before supplementing.
4. Poor gut health. An imbalanced gut can affect nutrient absorption and your mood. Fatigue is often a gut signal. Fix it. Include probiotic foods like yogurt, kimchi, or kefir. 5. Hidden stress. You might be mentally fine, but your body feels the stress. It raises cortisol, messes with your sleep, and wears you down. Fix it. Practice 5-minute breathwork or take screen-free breaks. 6. Vitamin D deficiency. Low vitamin D is linked to chronic fatigue and low mood. Fix it. Get 10 to 15 minutes of sunlight daily, or talk to your doctor about supplements. Tiredness isn't always fixed by sleeping more. When you fix these hidden habits, your energy starts coming back. Subscribe for more doctor-approved health tips, and let your habits heal you.